Hi friends, today we are going to see how to create constants inside a class, isn't it? So creating constants inside a class is very much different than creating constants outside of a class. That means the procedural state of PHP is quite different in constants than the oops concept in the constants. So over here what we need to have that we have to create a class. So I have created a class known as Suman. So here whenever I will need to describe some constant, I need to use the keyword const and the name of the constant. Okay, so the name of the constant should always be in the capital letters and it should be always in the first bracket. So right now I am using the value of 5 on 3.143 and this 3.143 is the constant value, so I had used the const pi. Okay, now let us create a function and let us check out how to use this thing practically. So public function and the name of the function area of the circle, and this area of the circle is going to have a radius inside it. And what I need to do that to access this constant pi, I need to call it inside this what you say method. To do so, what I will do, I will create a small variable. Suppose let us create the variable by the name PIE. That would be good. It would be different. So this PIE is quite different from pi value. Pi. Okay, and also the two names are quite different also. So to call this constant inside a method, we use the word self colon pi, and the value of this whole pi will get inside the variable pi. After doing so, we will use another variable known as area. What this area will do, it will do 2 into dollar pi into dollar radius. Now you guys may ask you where is the radius defined, so I'm going to define the value of radius over here. Dollar radius, isn't it? Now what this method will do, it is always going to return some value. Now this this class should be put inside the object, isn't it? That object is $s. So what we will do, first of all, let us calculate the area of a circle. So area of a circle is $s of the circle, and the area show is 10. Okay, so save it, and in this browser let run this program. So we are getting area of the circle is 62.86. so now we all knew that this program is running. Now another thing that should come to us, that how to access the value of this constant pi that is residing inside this class Suman outside of a class, and this is also very important for us to know. So what we do, we will first of all create a line break so that two things does not mess up. So here you can see that here to access the constant value outside of a class, we need to call first of all access the object, and that object is $s, and this $s object is going to call the value of pi that is present over here. So this is how we are going to access constants inside the class. Outside the class, we are going to access a constant inside a method which has been present in the class, isn't it? So guys, I think